Hey guys, it's Brendan here from Infotainment.com. Today we're going to show you how to use Apple CarPlay on the new Sync 4 radio that is in the new Ford Bronco. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, if you're in navigation or wherever you are, you can go to the phone menu and you can click Add Phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
All right, so now we're going to go into the settings on our phone, go to Bluetooth, and we're going to let it search. And then as you see, Ford Bronco shows up at the bottom. You're going to click that.
Confirm that the pin displayed on Sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
And we can confirm that is the same pin. I'm going to click Pair, and also Yes. And then a message will pop up on your phone asking if you want to allow contacts and favorites to sync. You can choose allow or don't allow. It's whatever your preferences are. So on the iPhone, it came up with a message that says use CarPlay with Sync 4. And it will automatically connect when you turn the car on or once you have the phone connected. So I'm going to click use CarPlay. And then I'm also going to click finish on here. And then another message will pop up on the screen asking if you want to enable CarPlay. You want to enable. And then it loads, and now you have access to CarPlay on your radio. Now there are a bunch of different options you can do. You can go into the App Store on your phone, and you can download more apps that can be integrated into CarPlay as well. But just to show what can be done with what we have right now, one of the major things you can do is you can use GPS right through your phone. So if we go into the GPS menu right here, you can change it to where, how you see it. You can change it to a 3D, so it looks more, not as flat. You can change it back to 2D. If you ever move away from wherever you are, if you can't find where you were, just click that button right there. You can zoom out, you can zoom back in. You can search for things, and this search button, you can either use voice search, or you can type something in. Or you can just go by these categories that they have preset for you. So like gas stations, we can look for a gas station near us, and you see as you scroll, it shows way more options than the ones that are just immediately right next to you. It'll be the same thing for all of these, same thing for parking. It'll show you all the different parking areas, restaurants, coffee, groceries, and so on. And you can also go to destinations that you've already been to or ones you have preset into your device. Now if we go back to the menu, if you swipe, you'll get to where all of your other apps are. So you can call from here, you can go back to the maps, you can message people, you can go to whatever's currently playing on your phone, go to the Sync 4 app, read audiobooks, go to the settings, check your calendar, and then if you swipe again, these are other apps that you can download as well. So I have Spotify on my phone, so you can listen to music through Spotify. And like as I said before, there are other apps that you can download. And also this feature tells you the battery percentage on your phone, which might be also pretty convenient. So that is how you use Apple CarPlay on the new Sync 4 radio in the new Ford Bronco.